Hi, in this video I'm going to speak the technological advancement and the effect on the ecosystem. So about the modern technology implication on the environment. For first point of view, the industrial and technological needs have been satisfied for a long time without paying attention to the possible damages caused to the environment. Now it seems that the damages are already now, and we only need to put the tools at our disposal to avoid them, from obtaining raw material to the same waste disposal generated by obtaining technological products can have direct consequences for the conservation of the environment. For example, the certification, the environmental impact of technological works, pollution of weather sources, and the most serious global climate change. Pollution varies according to a series of factors such as population growth, degree of urbanization, industrial development, and mechanization of agriculture or use of natural resources. And among it, all its types, air pollution is particularly important. This pollution usually comes from the means of transport, industrial emission, or emission from the city or the countryside. What kind of things we can do for mitigate those damages? We can, for example, care the forest, responsible agriculture, responsible consumption, less pollution, reduce food waste, take advantage of the land, avoid using fuels, care the weather, protect the oceans. Is the different ways that we have adopt from home to mitigate different of damages in our city, in our country, and contribute for the damages in our environment. So just a climate change is an unquestionable reality. It's only viable solution is also questionable. That is, it combines the effects of human activity on climate with growth and aspiration of all to improve our standard of living, and is the application of determinate from eco-sustainable technologies in human activities that are feeling such a climate change. For example, the airplanes or the different companies that adopt change different activities in the production in the way to do different things for contribute with our environment. The activity most directly involved is the generation of energy. We are saying in its sustained evolution, although not fast enough, direct towards renewable sources on the hand and towards the improvement of the efficiency of traditional sources, mainly regarding the emission of greenhouse gases. But obviously, it is the type of iceberg. It's just the type of iceberg. The main problem we encounter in wide range of human activities that generate this type of gas. Among the main of we can find meat production. Many experts believe that intensive livestock in largest producer of this type of gas. In the transport, buses, the taxes, etc., and the most personal and daily activities such as the use of gas-driven sprays, etc., because this is a level that the next battle against the climate change has to be fought using two fundamental weapons. Social awareness is the biggest engine of change and the only tool capable of accelerating it. Specific technologies that help entrepreneurs to produce goods or service by minimizing the impact of such activity on the ecosystem. And the first technology we have to use information technology because what we cannot measure, we cannot change. That is, for example, the general idea in our situation because the technological damage in our environment is very, very serious. Thanks.